Hello, everyone. Did you know that you can make your Instagram highlights even more stylish by removing the title? If you want your highlighted content to look clean and elegant with no text underneath, today I'll show you a simple trick to create empty titles on your highlights. Follow my step-by-step guide and discover how to achieve a minimalist look on your Instagram profile. So, let's get started with the process. First, open your Instagram app and log into your account. Once you're on Instagram, go to your profile and find the highlighted post from which you want to remove the title. Tap and hold on that post, and then in the menu that appears, select the option Edit Highlight. Now, when you delete the existing title of the highlight, you'll notice that Instagram automatically adds the title, highlight, and won't let you save it without any title. But don't worry, there's a trick to solve this. Now, open your browser, type empty characters in the search bar and hit search. When you type empty characters, you'll find several results with links containing invisible characters. Tap the link empty characters that looks like the one on my screen. Once you've opened the link, scroll down, and when you get to the section where it says Method 1 Copy with Button, you'll see a button that says Copy to Clipboard. Tap on it, and it will automatically copy the invisible character to your clipboard. Now, go back to Instagram, open the option to edit the highlight, and paste the copied character into the title field. Once you do that, tap Done in the top right corner of the screen to save the changes. After that, the title of your highlight will be empty, with no visible text below the icon, just like mine. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, leave a like, share the video with your friends, and consider subscribing to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my new video.